Hello, this is Chef B and welcome to my Grow Show. I'm just putting up a quick video here just to inform you that this channel may go down. I received a strike this morning from YouTube from the second last video that I produced, outdoor cannabis cultivation. I got over 11,000 views within a few days. But anyways, YouTube thinks that my channel is harmful and dangerous for some reason, but in fact all I'm doing is, documenting my progress with the use of medical marijuana, or should I say cannabis these days. I have a license to produce medical marijuana. I also dealing with stage 4 cancer, and I'm using the marijuana to heal my cancer, and I'm documenting it on YouTube, and many people are benefiting from it. But I don't know, maybe somebody complained, I don't know, or maybe it's just YouTube trying to function. I don't know what they're up to. This is a beneficial channel. People benefit from watching my content. I don't do anything to harm people, and I wouldn't use cannabis or promote cannabis if I thought for a moment that it harmed anybody. Alright, this is Chef B, maybe for the last time, but I appealed the decision. Hopefully I'll win. This happened before. I appealed and I won. Hopefully I'll win this time, but if I don't, the channel will go down. And I don't want to lose you guys. I mean, I love you guys. So please, hop over to my website, naturespharmacy.guru, and become a member. It's free. The forum is free. The newsletter is free. And if my YouTube channel goes down, I'm going to be posting all my YouTube channels there on my website, so you can watch them on my website. And I will have a channel that's free that you can watch. There's the Craft Grower series there, which is $1.99 a month. But I will also put up my YouTube videos there. I'll have a special YouTube channel where I'll put up my work for free for you guys to watch. Just get over there and become a member so I don't lose you. Alright? And I'm also on Instagram and Facebook too. Even though I'm not very active there, I don't put a lot of useful content on Instagram. I just use it mainly to promote my YouTube channel and my website. But anyways, I'm gonna try and not let this affect me emotionally. I mean, this could really bring me down and finish me. I mean, I live for this channel. I mean, I've been working this channel for over 7 years, and really it's what gets me out of bed in the morning. It's what's keeping me alive. So I hope things work out. Alright, Chef B signing off.